After the assassination attempt on Robert Fico, the government parties have asserted from the beginning that it was the result of years of inflammatory rhetoric directed at him by mainstream media and the political opposition. Yesterday, a public opinion survey published by some media outlets, including the prominent news channel TA3, revealed surprising and unexpected results that align with the government's narratives. The survey was endorsed by the Minister of Interior, Matus Sutaj Estok, who used it to criticize his political rivals.
Predseda Progresívneho Slovenska Michal Šimečka sa dnes posťažoval, že členovia vlády hádžu vinu za atentát na opozíciu a médiá. Už pán Šimečka, prosím, už sa pozrite konečne pravde do očí. Dnes vyšiel prieskum verejnej mienky, ktorý veľmi jasne pomenoval najvážnejšie dôvody atentátu z pohľadu ľudí. Sú nimi politika opozície, organizovanie protestov a činnosť niektorých médií. Chápem vás, pán Šimečka, že vás tento prieskum vyľakal, ale pochopte, že názor ľudí nezmeníte ďalším politickým útokom. Jedinou cestou je postúpiť hlbokú sebareflexiu a dlhodobo zmeniť aj tú vašu politiku. Ja vám to úprimne želám, aby sa vám to konečne podarilo.
The survey has been conducted by a Czech polling agency with a highly problematic reputation. SANEP is not a member of CIMA, which ensures high standards and transparency and includes all reputable research agencies. Concerns exist about SANEP's data collection methods, which lack transparency and independent verification. SANEP's surprising survey results differ significantly from those of reputable agencies. The agency has been accused of favoring political entities like the SPD party that commission its surveys. SANEP has faced legal disputes over its methods, resulting in financial penalties. Courts have ruled against them. The agency has financial links to political figures, specifically Tomio Okamura, raising impartiality concerns. SANEP surveys often include evaluative judgments not supported by respondent data, undermining report integrity.